Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use plant boost while planting in Heartopia. It's super easy and very helpful for faster growth. First, make sure you have already planted your seed on the soil like this, and then next just open your backpack and then just take your plant boost like this. If you don't have it yet, you can get it from NPC Plant. For the for the for the tutorial, you can check the link in the description. And then after that, just aim the selections area at the plant that you want to boost, for example like this. And then after that, just tap on the fertilizer icon to apply it. At higher hobby levels, you can tap and hold the fertilizer icon, and with just the actions, you can boost up to 3 plants at once like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.